Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all the simple Halloween makeup look, and to be very honest, this can be a little too difficult, but I have cut it down and made a very simple version for y'all. So here you go. First, start by taking some foundation. I have taken the Maybelline Fit Me foundation mixed with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I have applied it using my brush. And then I'm gonna take my Elegant Pro Conceal and correct my under eyes, and I have taken a little extra on my right side so that the mask looks bright. Now I'm just gonna blend it and set my face using some setting powder or loose powder. I'm also gonna contour my face. Now this is a very simple version of this look, so I'm just gonna keep my contour very little, and I'm not gonna use any blush or anything of that sort. And once I'm done with contouring my face, I'm gonna be moving on to the next part, which is the main part. I would be outlining my face, like drawing a mask, I would say. I actually wanted to go for like half of my face, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna draw like 3/4 of my face, like someone has toned my face. And I'm using two shades of brown to give some dimension and some definition so that it looks so natural. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering if I have shot this video like a year ago or something, no, I feel like I'm back in 2019 when I started my channel, because this is how short my hair was back then when I started my channel. I love this hairstyle. I'm gonna talk about it in some other video though. I'm making a video with a voiceover like after such a long time. I really hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time to do this because just applying the brown took me like 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and after I'm done with that, I went in with some foundation again, mixing my Maybelline Fit Me with my L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face, like all over my face, because I want it to be a little extra. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend out all the harsh edges and lines so that it looks a little natural. So I'm just gonna blend it out. Then I'm just gonna take my powder, setting powder, and just set it in. Now I'm quickly gonna take my eyeliner and outline the line I drew earlier. Not gonna lie, this is gonna take quite some time, so be as patient as you can. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna use the browns again and use a little bit of black to give it some definition. And I have also used some eyeliner on my jawline so that it looks like it was a black surface, and I added the mask. To be very honest, I wouldn't really go in with any black eyeshadow if it was slightly more difficult, but since it's an easier version and shorter version, I thought of adding some black because it gives more dimension in a shorter time and it won't take so much effort. I could have just added the browns and layer it properly, but then that would take a lot of time and effort, so I'm just taking a shortcut here. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm just gonna quickly highlight my face. I've also done a little bit of a simple eye makeup, that is, I've just used a little bit of a purple shadow, and I'm gonna do my lips. I'm using this brown lipstick from My Glam, which I'm in love with, and I'm quickly gonna do my lips. I'm just adding a little bit of a shimmer on my eyelids, and I'm also gonna do my brows really quick. For the last step, I'm just gonna add some white or silver eyeliner or a kajal pencil as a highlighter. Basically, wherever the light reflects, I'm just gonna draw a little bit of a line so that it looks like plastic. And yeah, with that I'm done. This is how simple it was. I mean, this could be a little complicated, but I have cut it short and made it really simple for y'all. I really hope y'all like it, and if y'all did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see y'all super soon. Until then, bye.